What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brandoh, and we got another boxing session video for you. This one right here is coming to you from the homie Danny Alvarez out in Long Beach from Chill Just Cook. Sent over one of the t-shirts he just got screen printed. I heard it's multicolor. Let's check it out. Let's see what we're working with. Now I'm gonna turn the camera upside down, put it on the table so we can open up this package, show you guys what he just got done. Thanks, Big Brandoh. This one's coming to you from Long Beach. The homie Danny shot this over. Let me open this up. Make sure I'm not slicing nothing up inside here. Danny Alvarez, the homie from Chill Just Cook. Check it out. This colorway is super dope, man. Got some stickers in the package too. Let's get into this thing, man. So we got some stickers. Chill Just Cook. It's a little picture of him next to the grill. I think he got a fishing pole in there. Crazy, man. Let's open up this t-shirt. Got them nice and sealed up. Got that Chill Just Cook neck label. Extra large. Chill Just Cook on the front left chest print. And we got that big logo on the back. Yeah. This actually looks exactly like him, which is crazy. Dude's always on the grill, always cooking, and always fishing. Appreciate you, Danny. This thing came out crazy, man. I'll leave his link and stuff inside the description box. Check him out on Instagram. He's always cooking, showing you guys what he's making, stuff like that. So tap in with the homie. Chill Just Cook. Appreciate it, Danny. All right, there you have it. The homie Danny Alvarez from Chill Just Cook. Appreciate you, bro. Shout out to Long Beach. Shout out to all the homies out there. Appreciate you for sending over that t-shirt. Print looks good. Everything came out clean. And the colorway of the design works perfect, man. Appreciate you for sending that over. If you wanted to be on boxing session, I'll leave the address in the description box. All you got to do is send the packages there and possibly they'll end up on a boxing session video, all right? Appreciate you guys for watching. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.